Two of them. Oh, look at this one. It's a big chocolate bunny. Oh God, look at this giant chocolate bunny they have. Giant chocolate bunny. Okay. Yeah, due to the storm again tomorrow, Costco is very, very, very busy today. They're so busy. Really busy. Wow, that is really cool. Big bunny. Oh wow, the line is so crazy. I don't know if we have like a bunny egg now. I want to see for munchkin. No, I don't think they have a bunny chocolate. Yes, it's very busy again. Holy moly. We have a bunny egg. Bunny eggs. I'm looking for the bunny eggs for munchkin. This is Godiva. Godiva. Is this a dark chocolate? I like dark chocolate. That's it. This is my favorite individual wrapped chocolate. Cheap chocolate. Is it dark? Yeah, I love dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is good for your heart, you know. Yeah, so it's my favorite. Godiva. Okay. Yes. Oh, it didn't have the bunny eggs. We didn't have bunny eggs yet. Okay. Yeah, it's very busy here in Costco, that's why. I want the dates. Oh, thanks. Yeah, my husband wants the dates. So, luckily I found the dates over here. Okay. He likes the dates. Ooh. See? Here's the dates. There's a lot of dates. Yeah. So it's good. Okay. I got the dates. I'm glad I see it. Because there's so many people inside there. Oh my God. Costco is really crazy about, you know, not only Costco, but a lot of store here. If the weather is so bad, yeah, the line is so crazy. So we park outside today. All the way is far from, yeah, it's just only a block away. Because if we go to the parking lot, it's a lot of people, guys. It's a lot of people. It's really crazy. Yeah. It's not, you know. I mean, if not really necessarily, I don't want to come.
Maybe be careful.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's so many people. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna grab some Lysol. Lysol spray. I don't have the Lysol at home. So, yes. A lot of people here. What else do I need a drink? I think the juice. So I need a cranberry juice. Just cross finger that everything can fit in my bag. If not, I'm gonna be disaster, guys. Yeah, so I need a cranberry juice because my son, he likes to drink cranberry juice. Okay. So I bring my own cart. Oh, sorry. Oh, oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, guys. Oh my god. This hope it's gonna fit in my bag and in my cart. Okay, so what else I need? See, I still need the what else? I think eggs. Yeah. Okay. It's so hard. So hard. Costco is very, 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 very busy today. So busy. Yeah. Anyway, even though it's not storm, Costco is always busy, guys. Very busy. So big. I noticed that. Yeah. So we're gonna grab some milk. I need a milk. Milk. Just gonna put my stuff. Okay, here, guys. It's a lot of people. I can't, like, yeah. It's not easy to, to get around. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the milk. The line is so crazy. Wow. Sorry, sir. Thank you. Look at this. So bad. It's really bad. I need a 2% milk. Just need a 2%. Okay. Oh wow. I cannot reach it. Yeah. So what is the date? What is March 13th? Okay, March 13th. So many people. Okay, guys, this is terrible. Okay, talk to you later. Ciao.